In a classroom situation, I have two sort of forums. I'm in the lecture hall, and then for a lab course, I'll be in the laboratory. And I teach a range of courses. I happen to be teaching a general zoology course this semester, but I teach physiology as well, and cell biology. And so I'm sort of piloting using this iPad mostly in a laboratory setting, but I can see already that it's going to be very useful in the lecture hall as well. If we're talking about a specific life cycle stage, for example, and if the students have on the microscope stage a prepared slide of one of these life cycle stages, I'm able now to move around the room, and I can move behind a group of students, and I can project the life cycle diagram on the screen, and then we can talk about it in the context of what they're looking at through their microscope oculum.
I'm Jan Minton, and I teach math. In my calculus class, I'm experimenting with what's known as flipping the classroom. That means that I'm making videos on new topics for the students to watch before coming to class, and then we can use our class time for working problem sets together. It creates a more active classroom environment, and that's really why I'm doing this experiment. The equation of this line is 1 plus 1/2 x minus 1.
We're here in our IT offices with our new 3D printer. If we'd purchased this hammerhead shark skull from a catalog, we would have paid $700. $150 to $200 for these proteins, $400 for these feet. But with our new 3D printer, for just a few dollars, our students can have hands-on learning opportunities.
I'm Steve Powers, Associate Professor of Biology at Roanoke College, and we're here in the Roanoke College Ichthyological Collection. There are 475 different species preserved in here. We have 130,000 different specimens currently housed in these jars of 45% isopropyl alcohol. And these are the specimens largely that were largely the basis of this book, Freshwater Fishes of Virginia, by my predecessor, Robert E. Jenkins, here at Roanoke College, and one of his students, Noel Burkhead. And we have lots of great information about those fish, but unfortunately it's right now only found on these labels that are in the jar with the fish. And so what we're doing as part of this project is Katie Bockwalt, a student here at Roanoke College, is entering all of that information into an electronic database. She's going to georeference that with latitude and longitude coordinates. She's going to plug that into a geographic information systems project, and we're going to look for trends. And it's also going to be something that's searchable over the web for other researchers around the country and around the world to use, rather than just, as it is right now, on a paper label inside of a jar.